So welcome back to Fritham Junction. I just thought I'd let you know a little job I'm going to do tonight, which is to install another couple of sidings, dead end sidings into the branch line fiddle yard. Okay, so as you can see, there's two sidings here for the fiddle yard. As it is, there's a train in there, and I've also had the rail car going round. So the plan is to put this curved point in off here, and then just have a dead end siding just running into here. Okay, and then just inside that to take this track in and around this line to create a fourth road off the fiddle yard. Okay, so you can see that will give me quite a little bit more operational capacity, and kind of also be able to run sort of trains that would essentially be going from one end of the branch line to the other, allow them to terminate, and then I can turn them round. Okay, so if we remove this point, what you'll be able to see hopefully is the diesel rail car coming in off the branch line. Here it comes. I'll put the sound on. And then the idea is that this can come off the branch line, and then rather than going into a loop, I can put it into a dead end siding. So that's what I'm going to try and do tonight, and hopefully it will be part of one of the updated videos. Who knows, I might get something out later today. Thanks a lot.